What you got in your hands, Will?
All right, so we got a jumper radios just came in today, a new batch as of today.
As of end of November 2019.
And I went to turn it on because I heard there was a rumor about that.
OpenTX.
So now they are shipping with OpenTX, not Jumper TX, which was a fork of OpenTX that had minor changes. This is shipping with 2.3.2 firmware. The internal multi-module has been updated to 1.2.1.85, if that does anything for anyone. It has the bootloader in it.
Okay.
Supposedly. I haven't checked it, but we just got this in today. I just wanted to put batteries in and check it. OpenTX is flash, so this is going to make transferring models to and from with the OpenTX companion a lot easier. You're not going to run into hopefully they run into emergency mode, etc.
Or fail-safe, or not fail-safe, but corrupted file thing.
Yeah,
like that.
And OpenTX is fully supporting it, the jumper radio now, so you'll be able to just select the drop-down, jumper T16, internal module will work. The issue was before it didn't recognize internal, external modules, etc. As units that were primary for the radio. So now that's been updated, that's been fixed. OpenTX Companion, update that, use the new firmware. There's a couple of little features that we found just in a video we did on the RSSI tuning that the OpenTX has that the Jumper TX older firmware didn't have, which is great. So it makes tuning your frequency module for the FreeSky and all that a lot easier because it's right there on the screen.
A whole video on that one, link below or somewhere.
And there's just a couple little things there. The only physical difference I've found on the radio itself from the last batch, the battery box says Jumper RC molded into it. That is it.
Battery tray, you mean the cover? Battery cover.
The battery cover. Yeah, the tray is the same. It still has the 3 wires, all that. It still has the empty module on the back, so they haven't made a flat plate yet.
But that's just physically external. We haven't opened them up yet.
Internally, there might be some changes on the circuit board. Not sure. Might dig into that next. We maybe do a different video or something like that. But as far as from the outside, there's really no way to tell what firmware you're going to get unless you turn it on, go into the system, and let's see, go to the version. So if you look here, I'm trying to hold this so I don't drop it. The version's on there, and it tells you all the different custom options enabled at the bottom. And if you want to see what module you got in it, you'll go turn on where the internal RF is, and it'll tell you what version's there. And that's the 2 things to check.
So, are you screwed with the old version?
No, not at all. You'll need to update it. Be careful, though. You may have trouble backing up or transferring models from Jumper TX to OpenTX. There's a big warning when you first plug it in OpenTX saying if Jumper TX was not supported, it might not transfer. The only thing I ran into, I tried to transfer a couple models straight from one to the other. The RSI changed to TX2 or it changed to some channel.
Screwed it up.
Yeah, it was a couple little things went weird, so I'm a little leery about that, so I'll probably start from scratch. Unfortunately, on
so
that
if you have
one.
a lot of models, may not be the best time to do it.
Yeah.
Or crash some models and start over with ones.
And I don't know on that one. Somebody else, if you have already tried it or anything like that, please post below. Let us know.
Yeah, definitely.
But this definitely is a community-based radio, so it's great to have the community for OpenTX and all that through Facebook forums or Facebook groups, RC groups, forums, and all that. But it does look like the OpenTX team is now definitely supporting the Jumper platform. Because before, they weren't really commenting.
Yeah, so now they are. So hope this video is good for you. Like, comment below, and let us know if you have any issues with your software upgrading models and all that stuff.
Yeah, so now, I mean, Jumper TX, Jumper is definitely improving their radio little at a time. So they're listening, I think. I think they're definitely taking inputs. Everybody wanted official OpenTX, and I guess, I don't know if they worked with the OpenTX team.
Yes,
or the
they have. They have for a while behind the scenes. But if you go into the OpenTX, and there's like not a sponsorship or donations or somebody who donated or gave money or something like that, whatever that's called, they're in there.
Oh, so they're supporting?
They are officially, Not many shops are in there, but a lot of the manufacturers in there. So
cool.
All right, there you are. And I like the way Will picked this model out.
What?
He picked out the 420 serial number.
I don't know what you're talking about.